Okay, we're going to convert from logs to exponentials and exponentials to logs. Okay, so here we have some exponentials. It wants you to convert it to a logarithmic. Okay, so here's how it goes. Remember here, the base is 2 as part of the exponential. So that is the base of the log. Okay? What we're going to log is the 8, and that will give us an answer of the 3. Because, remember, if you go the other way, 2 to the power 3 gives you 8, which is what we were doing previously. So again, it's kind of looking at the 2, the 3, and the 8 and trying to figure out where to stick them, really. Right, okay, again, base of 6. So log to base 6 of 36 must be 2. It's like saying go from here over to here and then back again, okay? From here over to here and then back again. So log to base y of the 9 must be z, okay? And so on and so on. Let's have a look at the other way around. Okay, from exponential, okay, from log to, and I prefer this because I can clearly see 6 to the power 3 is 216. 6 to the power 3 is 216. I think this is the easy way around of doing it. Again, let's pick anything, okay? 10 to the negative 2. 10 to the negative 2 is 1/100th, and it is. Now again with these, remember this is missing the e, so be careful, okay? This is e to the 3.3673 is 29. If you stick it in your calculator, that should be correct, actually. But again, it's just showing you that, be careful, you know, it's like if I say log of 100 is 2, what it's missing here is the 10. Okay, in other words, 10 to the power 2 is 100. So just remember I said before, logs are base 10, ln's are base e, but they're not written. Okay?